Right mate, supercharger kit for my Fiesta ST150. The engine is completely standard at the minute. I've not upgraded it, I've not forged it or anything along them lines. While speaking to Jam Sport, they keep it at 310 brake horsepower with a COSI inlet. I can keep the standard inlet manifold at the minute and run 290 brake horsepower. Now the way it's been explained to me is, the bottom ends are terrible on these. Well, I say terrible, with the supercharger kit having more a controlled induction rather than it being a sporadic, mad, random induction with an actual turbo kit itself. I've heard that the bottom end should be sound on these. Now, this car itself, no idea. It's currently on 108,000 miles. It's had 14 previous owners, and I think that's 15 being me, or I'm the 14th. I'm not 100% sure. I know what work I've done to this car, and like I say, I absolutely ragged the bollocks off it. I've had no issues, you know, no knocks, no bangs, no oil, nothing like that, no excess burning of oil. It's just solid, and it's never let me down. So we're going to go for it anyway, and then fingers crossed it holds, do you know what I mean? But ultimately, if there are problems down the line, I will get it forged up to the bollocks, do you know what I mean? Rated for 500 brake, we're not messing about, do you know what I mean? And then literally, the engine will be brand new, and it'll be like a new car, won't it? Do you know what I mean? It's going to be absolutely fantastic. So yeah, we're going to go for it at the minute. I'm going to hold Jam Sport's word, and hopefully this won't blow, and then it's just going to be mega, isn't it? And like I say, once the supercharger kit's on it, we'll just take it from there, do you know what I mean? So everyone have a banging day for me, and I'll see everyone top end.